Hello everyone. As you all know, there are three main tenses: the present, the past and the future tense. Each tense has four forms. As we are dealing with the present tense, and the first form, that is the simple present tense, was covered in the previous video. This video covers the second form of present tense, that is the present continuous tense. Before watching this video, do subscribe to my channel Learn with Ease. So let's get started. The present continuous tense is used for an action that is in progress at the time of speaking. For example, he is reading a newspaper. The second example is the children are playing football. The present continuous tense is used for an action that is in progress and will continue in future. It may not be going on at the time of speaking. And the examples are: he is learning English. My neighbor is writing a novel. The present continuous tense is also used to describe an action that is planned to take place in the near future. And the two examples are: I am meeting him tomorrow. He is going to England next week. The present continuous tense is also used to express disapproval of a persistent habit or something done again and again. We generally use adverbs such as always, constantly, repeatedly, etc. And the two examples are: she is continually watching movies on TV. The second example is: he is repeatedly making the same mistakes. If I put the same point in a different way, it will sound like this. It has been pointed out before that the simple present is used for a habitual action. However, when the reference is to a particularly obstinate habit, that is something which persists, for example, in spite of advice or warning, we use the present continuous with an adverb like always, continually, and constantly. And the example is: my dog is very silly. He is always running out into the road. Now there are some verbs, on account of their meaning, that are not normally used in the continuous form. I have categorized these into 5. First, verbs of perception, that include see, hear, smell, notice, recognize. So you can see the information in tabular form. You can make out that the verbs are in red color, and the ing form of the verb or the tense is not accepted. So you can see a tick mark and a cross mark. Please have a look at it carefully. The second is the verbs of appearing, that include appear, look, seem, sound and resemble. So you can have a look at the information given in the tabular form as to how the ing forms of these verbs are not accepted. The third one is verbs of emotion, that include want, wish, desire, feel, like, love, hate, hope, refuse and prefer. You can again have a look at the tabular form and see how the ing forms of these verbs in such sentences are not accepted. The next is verbs of thinking, and the verbs that include this category are think, suppose, believe, agree, consider, trust, remember, forget, know, understand, imagine, mean, mind, doubt and realize. You can look at the tabular form in which you have so many sentences that are grammatically correct, and the sentences with verbs in ing form, that is the verbs in present continuous tense, when used in such sentences are not accepted. And the last one is have, that is to possess, and the verbs are own, possess, belong to, contain, consist of. So the examples are she owns a beautiful house, which is correct. She is owning a beautiful house is incorrect. He possesses great leadership skills. He is possessing great leadership skills is incorrect. The correct sentence is this book belongs to me. The incorrect sentence is this book is belonging to me. The next one is this bottle contains water. The incorrect sentence is this bottle is containing water. And the last example is the team consists of 5 players. And the incorrect sentence is the team is consisting of 5 players. I hope this video was useful to you. Do mention it in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.